Omo, things they happen, oh, my correct people, things they happen. This video when it be say, una want watch, so I want tell una what it be say, he play for this video. This video now, una no work when it be say untouchable, they do. Now, this, una go see one man there, this man when it be say, he did there, so, now, his daughter, now, he be this, so. So, the man, a very successful man, the man, they try to make sure, say, all his children they okay, they do everything when he be say he go fit do to make sure say his family they okay. They not go they put eye for outside, trade the one when he be say they go trade, no make sure say they comfortable. Now what it happen, my correct people, the man they you know say that the grace when he be say you see people come they tell you say see the way that they see your son or see your daughter, no, you know declare. Then they tell this man say your old daughter they do hookup. The man say na lie. Say no, na your own daughter they do hookup. So the man never know how you want to catch his daughter. Whether really what be say people they talk, they follow his daughter, whether not truth. So he can't call untouchable. Say untouchable can't do this thing for me. This one a prank. And the man buy new car when he be say he want to do present for his daughter. So now if not true say na hook up the girl they do, he not go give her the car. If not be hook up, he go just surprise her with the car. Now the car, now the system where they design. My people, things they happen. I beg, if you never follow this page, God bless you for watching. Anywhere you from the watch shows, I greet you according to your time. Please, guys, forgive me for my manner because at this matter day, it's with me. It mean I can't go forget to greet my correct people. God bless you. Please share this video and leave your comment after watching this video. So my people, now the girl, now console the daughter of the man, now console. Now that they bargain, the girl say she not they enter inside house or untouchable go first give her 50K, say money for hand, back for grant. So then they try, make they convince the girl, make it so that anything when it be say they play for the background, her father go they hear everything to say this thing when they do so now real. So now they don't call the girl, say see what they happen. The girl father say her father don't come out now. She's surprised. Now her father they tell her say really wetin person they tell her say wetin you they do say na true. Hey, the man totally down. He down because not be wetin be say he expect. Now the guy don't they say untouchable, why do you do this to me? They try to beg his father. Say our father say why this thing can't happen like this. Hey, my people, things they happen. The guy don't they go gaga. Why? Because only person when he be say he dey and it can be senior daughter for that. Ada, you know, they even they call daddy forgive me. Nah, Ada, because the man confused, the man disappointed because many people they use her. They use this thing, they mock the man, say you go, you in office, no. Take care of your own. Where your daughter go, they do hookup, they go, follow different men, they go. So a guy they be because the man trust his daughter say there is no way Ada go fit do this thing. Ada when he take care of Ada will not the lack of anything. You understand? Before man like this come buy car, you know say the girl they too over paparan. So just that and they let people they know say not be everybody all big men. Some big men, politicians, children they way they do this hookup. Not be money they not get. Not be the money they not get. Many just they try to take this thing as form. Many it go come enter their blood. You understand? We will see some kind of things where they happen for this society where we dey now. Now big men, children are the corrupt path. Yes, not be money make them the corrupt. So they when it be say you go hold something, their high go dey for waiting you owe. Not be say they don't see money take buy. You understand? Now what if we say it the apple? Not be money, they be the get problem. The father say in the that is in they regard the his daughter all the time. They regard and they put money so that may have I not dey outside. Make she not go carry unwanted pregnancy come home. That is why he not the use and they play. But now he's surprised. Say see what when he be say his own daughter can't do to them because now this one a big disgrace and it can't be public domain. And the thing for Apple now social media carry and I know anything when you enter social media. Both the man colleague mostly when it come Apple say the man are politicians things things. Now the girl they beg now, say, untouchable, why do you do this to me? Go and beg my father. Because the girl father now, you see, the man, that is a heartbreak. You know how they be now. Man go, they work day and night. My correct people, I bet I'm gonna share this video day and night to make sure say family they okay. To make sure say they not go their children not go to put eye for another person something. Do work to make sure say they give the best to their children. Because he say the one way be say that you work by yourself for you the labor for. Come be say not be what you be say you expect now you can't see. You get the B now. The girl the B. So now what you be say they happen now the girl don't confuse. The man still leave the car for Ramu. He still leave the car for her. The girl say not the carry car. The pet of her father. She need a father pet. Say the way a father take the pamper say na that one nothing. You don't need car. May a father forgive her. Say na that when be say he carry with love. Na the beggar so. See how the girl they go back. It's not easy, my people. It's not easy. Tell me what this girl define now. Tell me what you define now. Maybe she go get serious boyfriend though. No whether than knacking, now the cost her now. When you know your create 2 days, may your guy knock you. At least see this man they pass through many things now. As you see now, you don't carry a head go down to tell you see you don't that is now what did they buy man a small thing. What did they buy man a small thing because you don't expect. Some people they when they say they go say their last change they go spend that for their children. Mostly maybe they be 3 or 4 they go just carry one for each side, carry that one put for head. I believe say now what did this man do now? This man totally disappointed. Say see what did the apple. My people wahala dey. In the bit of touchable say na touchable gospel. Wahala. Aye. Wow, the man, they cry. I beg my lady, if you know say, you they see love from your father, your mother, no matter anything, then they do this thing, make una high not dey outside. Make una high not dey outside to make sure say una dey okay. Make una dey at least carry una body put for 150. Okay, what about the process? Men, different men, they carry the girl as hookup, and with different spirit. Mostly when they say our country don't just come good again now. You follow person go ask, or you follow person go hotel. You don't know the kind of person where you follow go. Now then you go see some. Although Yahoo fine boys, they go use them. They do what you say they want to. People go they blame them. Why you go blame them? So even the weakest side, Sunday married women go they do hookup. Married women. That is why all these people when you see they do prank now, all those comedians they do prank, they expose them. Now good thing they still they do good thing. If not, man go they work, some go they travel work. They not go know what TB say they happen. Okay, see so now, see one when I see that day now, if they send money. They go they meet a wife or a fiancé. No, say this is fiancé. She just get a belly for another person. And the problem and a hookup, you forget the belly, you don't know who give her. And they send money, go they give her duplex. The man buy duplex, give her. Just you did there, me I go also. So what you really did for this thing? Now knocking, I don't know. Huh? The girl don't come out, my correct people. More will not come out for our track. The girl don't come out. The girl not fit stay. He still don't come back because he say the girl say she not go fit leave her father. May her father must forgive her. She not go do the thing again. She beg for forgiveness. Say anything. May her father they find carry people they follow her they go. May they monitor her and say, but she not go do again. May her father forgive her. As it be, the same blood is thicker than water. Father go culture her, but he go still forgive her. But now the grace, not what you be say you define for life. Waiting you define, waiting you define the good. When you come be say this thing you not feel owe yourself, you not confess owe yourself. So my people, Now the video when it be say we get for her now. Why I bring the video say make some of our ladies and young girls make they at least arrange yourself. Some they use more, see money they use, but they not go still they not still they certified for everything where they be say they get. Now what be say they bring this problem. Now what they bring this problem? They get money, but they not still certified. So go they under husband, they go still come out. Go still they do the same hookup with change. Their husband they try, they together, but they go still go they do the same hookup. So many things they when it be say they happen, the girl don't come back again. Come lay down, they beg her father, may her father forgive her. Say this kind of thing, it not go happen again. Say this kind of thing, say she go make sure say she put an end. So my correct people, God bless you all for watching. Share this video, like this video, and also make sure they follow us here. Now, anything when be say it come out for social media, we they always they carry and they come. The reason why we they carry and come, in case you watch and make you leave your comment and you take something from inside. Now we for come the see what be say it the happen. And things like this happen for social media, it never happen to you. At least you go take for inside, take get sense. Say now, so what we say it the apple now. Now the girl they try to beg your father say make her father forgive her. Say this kind of thing not go fit happen again because now this one are really heartbreak. Now heartbreak. So my correct people, make sure they follow us here for more audit. As it dey hot, it go dey burn. As it dey land for our table, we go dey distribute am. So make our amazing people see what TBC we carry come. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Please share this video. Leave your comment for comment section. Bye.